Molly, you look really happy today. What's going on?
Hi, Ollie. Yes, I'm feeling so excited.
Why are you excited?
My parents are taking me to an amusement park this weekend.
Wow, that's amazing. I love amusement parks. I always feel so energetic when I go there.
Me too. I can't wait to try the roller coasters.
You are so adventurous.
Yes, I am. But right now, I'm hungry. I forgot to eat breakfast this morning.
Oh no, that's not good. You should eat something before class starts.
Yes, I will. What about you? How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired. I stayed up late last night studying for our test.
Oh, I understand. But you are really smart. I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks, Molly. I wish I were as confident as you.
Well, I try to be, but sometimes I feel shy, especially when I have to speak in front of a lot of people.
Really? I didn't know that. You always look so friendly and talkative.
Ha ha, I guess I am, but inside, I can feel really nervous sometimes.
It's a normal feeling.
What about you? How would you describe your personality?
I think I'm kind and a little bit funny. I love making my friends laugh.
That's true. You always tell the best jokes. I think you're also very generous.
Thanks. I try to be, but sometimes, when my little brother takes my things, I feel a bit selfish and don't want to share.
Ha ha, I think that's normal. And right now, I'm cold. This classroom is freezing.
Me too. I wish I had a jacket.
What do you do when you're feeling sad?
When I'm sad, I like to talk to my parents or listen to music. What about you?
I like drawing or writing in my diary. It helps me express my feelings.
That's a good idea. I should try that next time.
Yes. Oh no, the bell is ringing. We have to go to class.
Wait, I almost forgot. I took your notebook by mistake yesterday. I'm sorry.
Oh, don't worry. Thanks for giving it back.
No problem. Let's go before the teacher gets angry.
Yes, see you later.